Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and welcome back. I hope all of you had a great Thanksgiving with family and friends. Today is November 26th of 2018. Here are some morning announcements for today. For our birthdays for November, we have one birthday to kind of celebrate, and that would be on November 30th. So we got a couple of days yet, so we didn't have anybody else over the weekend or for today for November birthdays, but we got one more on the 30th, and we'll do that announcement then. For lunch choices, we have chicken tenders and waffle, cheese-filled Bosco with sauce, and sun butter and jelly sandwich. And today for our pause, we're talking about having a positive attitude from second grade today.
Okay, boys and girls, today we thought we would give examples of having a positive attitude and helping out a friend. So we have three different examples of what you can do to help out a friend.
Helping out a teacher or help them pick up a crayon or colored pencil or a marker that's on the floor. Help them find their stuff.
Great examples. Thank you, boys and girls.
Thank you very much, boys and girls, for those examples there. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. And please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Okay, boys and girls, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please stand. Have your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, boys and girls, for the Pledge of Allegiance, and hopefully all of you have a great day. It's great to have everyone back in class today. Everyone have a great Monday, and remember, your choices are yours, so make sure you make positive ones.